Hello everyone, how are you doing and welcome to my channel. So it's been a really long time that I haven't uploaded any video yet, but yeah, today I have brought a new video about Windows 11 and I will give you my opinion, my review about the Windows 11. Maybe you have seen already about Windows 11 in other YouTube channel or other content creator, but that's okay. I just wanna give a shot from my side, and I'm just delivering content to my viewers. But before I start my video, I just want to show you this. Come on guys, 98.8% of you are not subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Help me to grow this channel. I will deliver more content to you guys. Alright, so without any further ado, let's begin. Before I start giving a review about Windows 11, let me tell you guys there's a lot of changes has been going in Windows 11. So lots of changes, lots of everything. So I don't want to cover everything here. Other thing you guys can explore and you guys will experience with firsthand. So the first thing I really like about Windows 11 is the new user interfaces, the icons, colors and glass look, but the glass look is limited in the widget section only. Oh dear, this glass look is absolutely stunning and I really like this, but it should have I think it should have done with the start menu also, and I would love if it would have with the Explorer also. That would be really nice and a cool look for me. Everybody has different tastes, but yeah, for me the new user interface with the glass look, wow. So this is really cool. I like this one. And the system icon has been changed, as you can see here, like a network icon, and this PC folder icon, control panel, recycle bin. And if you open the user file, you will see system files like downloads, documents, desktop. These icons are now more colorful right now, so I really like this one. And the File Explorer has more space up here because of the traditional ribbon option has been now gone, so that's really cool. And the second thing I like about that, the start menu is now centralized by default. You can change the alignment anyway, and you can customize whatever icon should be appear here and anything. And also you can hide the search button and widgets, task view widget, and this chat option, Windows connection. So you can customize everything, so that's really cool. And the third thing I like about, as a cybersecurity specialist or ethical hacker, that you can open the terminal anywhere you want. Just right click and open terminal. See, easy, just like in Linux operating system. So that's really cool. And sometimes I really as a developer, you need to use the terminal frequently, so that will give you that will save you a little bit time. So that's really cool. And the other thing I like about Windows 11, that now you can use with the multiple desktop, but you can manage it more efficiently. How? If I add another desktop, right click and I can choose the background, I can rename it and I can close it from here. So I can select a different background for this window, this desktop. Let me see. So we have two desktop. I can rename this one also. Just double click on it or right click and rename. I will see let me type something. New desktop maybe. So that's cool, right? So this is also good. I really like this feature also. It was the multiple desktop option was included in Windows 10 also, but not more customizable. Now it's customizable, and that's really I like about. And the last thing I really like about the Windows 11, that you can choose your snap from the restore down and maximize button. Suppose I'm opening a file explorer, and if I hover my menu over here, you can select any layout to snap your windows. Let me see, I'm gonna select this one, and let's say I'm going to use the Audacity here and Photoshop here. Wow, that's really something new. So I'm gonna minimize this one. That's really cool. Now, the things I really didn't like or don't like about Windows 11 till now, maybe they will update in future, who knows, but I don't like that I don't have drag and drop feature just like I used to have in Windows 10. So this is the image, and I want to edit this image in Photoshop. So let me maximize this Photoshop. Okay, it's now minimized. Okay, now I'm going to drag and drop here. Oops, it's not working. So that is really disappointing, and I really don't like this one. So maybe they will update in future, maybe, who knows, but they probably should do as soon as possible. And the context menu, if you see, it has a really cool design, and most of the options have now icon. But the problem is, even most common option, which even minor, even the beginner would understand, now converted into icon only. Suppose I want to copy this image. I'm gonna right click to open the context menu. Now there is no copy option, and if you are beginner and if you don't recognize this icon here as copy, then you won't find the copy option. However, you can access from the show more option anyway, or you can just press Ctrl C, but that is really difficult for the beginner if you are using Windows Windows operating system for the very first time. So that will be very difficult for the beginner user. So I really don't like this also. Maybe beginner will also have to they have to get used to it, and they may understand, but who knows. And the last thing I didn't like about it, that if I open the start menu and I want to explore all apps, it's right here in very small button where my focus barely goes. Yeah, in my point of view. Maybe your point of view, and maybe your psychological factor, maybe you will start seeing from here, but usually I really start to see everything from my left side, not from my right side. So either they should have given us to customize this option, or maybe they should have put right here in a big button, all apps, so we can find anything, all the apps, explore all the apps, just like here. It's here, yeah, it's here anyway, but yeah, it's really not cool to have here and small button, not noticeable. So I don't like this, not really, but I don't like this. So maybe they will update in future, maybe they will the start menu will be more customized a little bit, but who knows. Yeah, okay, these are the few things I like and I don't like about Windows 11. There are lots of things that you can explore in Windows 11, and if you haven't upgraded yet, I will put the link down in the discussion box. You can update from there, but you know, the minimum hardware requirement and everything should meet. Yeah, I upgraded from Windows 11 to Windows 10 to Windows 11. I did not install from the ISO file. I just upgraded it, and my minimum system require was met, so that is really cool. And you can explore in the Microsoft site what is the minimum system requirement for the Windows 11, and there's a lot of way to bypass Windows 11 the minimum system requirement also. Maybe I will cover that in my future video, but today just this. All right, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the like button, share and comment on my video. All right, just help me to grow, and I will deliver you more content. Maybe from my next video I'll start web development, so stick to the channel.